Hey everyone, the Zotac ZBox Magnus EN is a remarkable example of how compact computing can merge desktop-class power with an impressively small footprint. Designed for enthusiasts, creators, and gamers who want serious performance without the bulk of a traditional PC tower, this mini PC showcases what modern hardware can achieve when precision engineering meets efficiency. Zotac officially unveiled the Magnus EN earlier this year, alongside the AMD Strix Halo-powered Magnus EA and the Magnus One, but it's the EN variant that has made it to market first. At just 2.65 liters in volume, the system embodies Zotac's signature approach to high-performance mini-PCs, packing serious desktop-grade components into a chassis smaller than many game consoles. At the heart of the ZBox Magnus EN is Intel's Core Ultra 7 255HX processor. This CPU brings together powerful hybrid core architecture, blending performance and efficiency cores for heavy multitasking, content creation, and gaming. However, the integrated 4-core Arc iGPU on the chip is modest, which makes Zotac's inclusion of a discrete GPU not only welcome but essential. The GPU comes in the form of NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 Ti, featuring 16 gigs of cutting-edge GDDR7 VRAM. This combination transforms the Magnus EN into a potent gaming and workstation device capable of running modern AAA titles in intensive creative workloads, such as 3D modeling or video rendering, with ease. The cooling system, despite the compact enclosure, has been engineered to handle this level of performance without excessive noise or thermal throttling. The precision air channels and dual-fan layout allow heat to dissipate efficiently even under load, maintaining both performance stability and comfort for everyday use. In terms of expandability, the ZBox Magnus EN provides two M.2 2280 slots, supporting PCIe 4.0 x4 SSDs, which means users can equip it with blazing fast NVMe drives for high-speed storage. The system also supports DDR5 memory, up to DDR5-5600 SODIMMs, or DDR5-6400 CSODIMMs, offering flexibility for those looking to fine-tune performance or future-proof their setup. Connectivity is another strong point of this machine. Zotac has equipped the Magnus EN with an impressive array of I/O ports, 3 DisplayPort 2.1B connectors, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-A and USB-C options, and a combination of audio and Ethernet connections. This versatility allows the mini PC to drive multiple high-refresh displays simultaneously. As for pricing, Zotac has positioned the ZBox Magnus EN in the premium bracket. In China, it retails for $1,966. Though steep, the cost reflects its blend of advanced hardware, premium build quality, and compact design. At this time, Zotac hasn't confirmed broader global availability, but demand among enthusiasts is expected to be high. Overall, the Zotac ZBox Magnus EN stands as one of the most capable mini PCs currently available, offering a rare combination of raw desktop power, cutting-edge GPU technology, and sleek form factor engineering. For gamers, creative professionals, or anyone seeking maximum performance in minimal space, it's an exceptional showcase of what modern mini computing can achieve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.